Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in today's class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to begin a new lesson, that is the lesson number 11. So, let's begin the class. So, in this lesson, it is explained we all experience disappointment and even tragedy in our lives. At such times, it is difficult not to give into grief and become paralyzed. But when we ever thought, but have we ever thought that there is a cure of sorrow available to all of us? What it is explained, this paragraph, it is explained that in our life, what is happening, sometimes we experience disappointment and even the sorrow, and some tragedy happens. Due to that, what is happening, we are having a difficult time in our life, and that time we are filled with grief and become paralyzed, means that time we are not able to understand what to do, what not to do. Okay, this situation is coming in everyone's life, that in this earth no one is that person who is always happy. Okay, sometimes situation comes that when we face problem difficulties, and sometimes any tragedy happens. Due to that, what is happening, we are overfilled with sorrow and grief and become paralyzed. But have we ever thought that there is a cure for sorrow available to all of us? Okay, if you are having any problem, so for that cure is also available. You can cure your difficulties, whatever problem is there, that all the difficulties can be solved. So here a story is given related to this topic only. So we are going to understand the story. So story is like this. Long ago in China, there was a young woman who married to a wealthy man's son. She was gentle and kind and brought happiness to their home. With time, she and her husband were blessed with a son, but their joy was not to last. Soon the boy was taken ill and died. The woman was overcome with grief. From door to door she went asking her neighbors, is there no medicine, no magic that will bring my son back to life? Seeing that she has lost her senses, they sent her to a man known for his wisdom. So here a story it is given that in long ago China there was a young woman. Okay, there was a young woman and who has married to a wealthy person's son. And then what happened? And that woman, she was very gentle and kind, and she has brought lots of happiness to their house where she has married. In that house she has brought lots of happiness to their house. And according to when as the time passes, okay, she and her husband were blessed with a son. They were blessed with a son, but this joy, this happy moment was not for long time. Okay, soon what happened, the boy was taken ill. The boy became the ill, sick, okay, and died. And the woman was overcome with grief. That woman, that lady, she was overcome with grief. Lots of sorrow and grief was with her. And then what happened, from door to door she went and asking, she was going door to door and asking from her neighbors, that is there no medicine available, is there no medicine or no magic, is such type of magic which can bring my son back. So people were thinking that now she has lost her senses, because she is asking that the person who is passed away, how that person can be alive. Okay, she was asking that, is there any medicine? Is there no medicine or no magic, such type of magic which can bring my back to life? Seeing this, that she has lost her senses, okay, their neighbors, what they have done, they have sent her to a man knowing for his wisdom. One man was there who was very famous for his wisdom. Okay, so all the people, all the neighbors of the lady, that woman, they have sent the lady to that person who was well known for his wisdom. So let's see that what happens the next. So next paragraph it is explained. Do you have some medicine that will bring my son back to me? She asked him. Lady asked the man, the wise man, that do you have some medicine which can bring my son back to life, to me? Then the wise person, just he has replied, I will need a handful of mustard seeds. I need only a handful means what? In one hand. Handful of mustard seeds I need, was the answer from the wise man. So elected the woman promised to bring it immediately. Elected means what? Meaning of elected is that extremely happy and excitement. Extremely happy and excited. So the woman became very happy and excited, and she promised the wise man that immediately I am going to bring a handful of mustard seeds. But then the wise man said, what the wise man has said? That the seed must be taken from a house that has never known sorrow. Okay, so you must bring the seed from that house where there is no sorrow. Okay, where there never meet sorrow, means like the house which never meet the sorrow. From that house you have to bring the mustard seeds. I will use them to cure your grief. So that magical seeds which you will bring, the mustard magical seeds which you will bring from the house which has never faced any sorrow, from that house you have to bring some that mustard seeds, and those magical seeds I will use to cure your grief. Okay, so the woman went off in search of the magical mustard seed. Okay, the woman, she has started her search, and she started searching the magical seeds, magical mustard seeds. Okay, knocking on the door of a beautiful mansion. At first she has reached to a beautiful mansions. Mansions means what? A luxurious house or luxurious flat or a large house or a building which is made for a wealthy person only. Okay, that is called the mansion. So the at first where she has reached, the woman, she has reached to a mansion, a beautiful mansion, and she thought that surely she has come to the right place, because this house is very beautiful house and very big house. Is there so wealthy and rich persons they are. So she thought that she has reached to a right place. Okay, and from that house she has knocked and she has asked that magical mustard seeds. So here is some mustard seeds. The people inside said, the people who were inside the mansion, they have given some mustard seeds and said that here are the some mustard seeds. Take it, it's yours. But when asked if their home had ever known sorrow, they told her, please don't remind us of our sadness. What happened when the woman asked about that have you ever known any sorrow? Have you ever meet any sorrow in this house? So then those people, they said that don't remind us of our sadness. As she heard them recount the story of the terrible things that has recently happened to them. Some terrible things has happened in that house recently. Okay, so they are saying that don't remind us our sadness. Okay, and she was moved with tear by listening that story which terrible things has happened to that house. In that house people belonging to that mansion, what terrible things has happened in that house. By listening that story, what happened? That woman moved with tears, moved to tears. The woman got tears in her eyes. Okay. Then she thought that should not I, who have also known sorrow, stay and comfort these people. She thought that already I am also suffering with some sorrow, so should I not comfort these people? Okay, so she asked herself, and she remained with them for a while and then began her search again. She remained in that house only, in that mansion for some time, and consoled to those people, make them comfort, and then she started her search again. But nowhere, not in the cities or in the towns or in the mountains or in the plain, could she find a place that had not been touched by grief. So what happened? She started her search again, and what happened? But nowhere, not there was not single place, not in the cities, not in the village, not in the towns, not even the mountain, in the plain, everywhere she has searched, and she did not find a place that had not been touched by grief. There is no place in the she has found where there is no sorrow has happened. Okay, as she became a busy, as she became so busy helping others, that in the end she forget about her search for the magical mustard seeds. What happened? Wherever she was going, wherever she was listening some sorrow news, she was helping that people, those people, helping others and making them comfort. By doing this, what happened? She became so busy in helping others and serving other people, so at the end she forget about her search for the magical mustard seed. For what she is searching the magical seed, that she has forget her sorrows, and she has not realized that she has actually found the cure of her sorrow. Okay, she even she did not realize that she had got the cure of her sorrow, that she was searching a magical mustard seeds to cure her sorrow, that she was in grief and she wanted to cure that sorrow, but now she is already cured. Now she is so busy in helping people and she has not realized that she has found the cure of her sorrow. So same thing happens in our life, students, that sometime what happens, any such type of event, that any tragedy happens, and due to that what happen, we are filled with sorrow. So that time we should not behave in such a manner, because the life is what, it is the means like sorrow and the happiness is the part of our life, and in this world no person is that who is always happy or who is always sad. Sorrow comes, sorrow goes, happiness comes, happiness goes, sorrow comes, because the sorrow and happiness both are the part of our life. So in this world every one person has to attend sorrow and the even the happy moment both. When God sends us the happy moment, that time we don't complain God that why you are sending this happy moment to me. But when we get sorrow, that time we complain God that why you are giving me trouble to me only. It is happening or not? So because God is sending the difficulties or the sorrow to us to test us. Okay, like in school, what is happening? Examination is there. Teacher is taking your examination. Why? To test your knowledge, that how much you have understood, you are studying properly or not. In the same manner in life, our difficulties are like a test, okay, which is taken by the God, that whether we are able to perform properly or not. So whenever we face the problem or trouble or difficulties, so what we should do, we should patiently face the problem, okay, and try to overcome it. So this is the lesson. So now we are going for the question and answer. So here question number 1, it is given, what was the cause of the woman's grief? The answer is here mentioned, The cause of the woman's grief was the death of his beloved son. Okay. Question number 2, it is given, why did her neighbors send her to the wise man? The answer is, her neighbors sent her to the wise man because she has lost her senses. Question number 3, what did the wise man tell her to do? The answer is, the wise man said her to bring a handful of mustard seeds from a house that has never known sorrow. Okay. Question number 4, it is given, where did the woman stop first in her search? The answer is, during her search, the woman stopped at the door of a beautiful mansion first. Question number 5, what moved the woman to tears? What moved the woman to tears? The answer is, as the woman heard the story of terrible things that had recently happened to the people living in the mansion, she was moved to tears. By listening that story, she became sad. Question 6, what did she decide to do after hearing about the things that had happened to the people living in the mansion? So the answer is, she decided to stay with the people living in the mansion and comfort them after hearing about the things that had happened to them. Okay, after listening their story, she decided to stay with those people, okay, and comfort them. Question 7, why did she think she would be able to comfort those people? So the answer is, she thought she would be able to comfort those people because she had also known sorrow. Recently her son passed away, due to that she has known, okay, she had known the sorrow. Because of that, she thought that she can make them comfort. Question number 8, what did she do next? The answer is, she remained with the people living in the mansion for a while and then began her search again. Question number 9, what did she find in her search? The answer is, in her search she couldn't find a place that has not been touched by grief. Okay, it means in her search she found that there is no place where the people has not faced the sorrow. Question number 10, how did the woman come to forget about her search for the magical mustard seeds? The answer is, the woman became so busy in helping others that she forgot about her search for a magical mustard seeds. And this is the last question. Question number 11. What is the cure for sorrow that the woman had actually found? The answer is, the cure for the sorrow that the woman had actually found is serving and helping others. Okay, in this manner she has found, by serving and helping others, she found the cure of her problem. Okay, so in this manner we have completed the story, completed the question and answer. Now this is some home assignment. First, that read the lesson 11 nicely and try to understand that whole chapter. Again you will read nicely once, twice, and try to understand nicely. And the next is that complete the question and answer of lesson 11 in your book and learn nicely. So all the question answers you will complete in your book only and learn all the question answers. Okay, so this is all for today's class. Thank you students, and have a nice day.